What's up everyone, Jake here, Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the Phoenix Models Atlas Air 747-8F, the very last 747 ever built, November 863 Golf Tango, operated by Apex Logistics. And you can see this beautiful box art with the 747 Queen of the Skies that the aircraft drew on its flight on delivery from Boeing Field to Cincinnati. Very, very nice. Here's a little picture of the back here. It's got Joe Sutter, the founder, sort of the 747 back there on the nose. So hopefully that's actually on the aircraft. A very special aircraft. You know, it's a very significant one. This is the end of decades of, you know, pretty much an era, end of an era. 1992 to 2022. You know, 30 years or so. It's just incredible. Or, you know, how the 747 has changed the world in terms of air travel and whatnot. And you know, it's sad that the 748i never took off as much, but you know, it seems that the two engines are more efficient than four engines nowadays, which makes sense. It's just sad that the 747 is pretty much really only useful for cargo now. But yeah, so here we go. Let's get to this. Model. So this is Atlas Air, but it's operated by Apex Logistics. But as you can see, it's got Apex Logistics on one side and Atlas on the other. We'll take a look at that more here to get the aircraft out of the box. Now this is a Phoenix Models. You know, NG has just come out with their mold. 747 mold, and they haven't had any releases yet. Something tells me this is going to be one that they will release when the time comes. So it'll be interesting to see how that turns out. I don't know if I'll pick that up as well. I don't have anything against the Phoenix Models molds, or the 748 mold for that matter. So yeah, here we go, guys. There we go. Look at this beauty. Wow. Fantastic looking. Very, very nice. Alright, let's take a look up here what we got. So, 863 on the gear door there, and the gear door looking pretty good. Gear looking very detailed as well. Got the nose with the Apex Logistics on the part there, the door that will open. Atlas Air, 30 years, 1992 is 2022. Empower is what it says right there under the cockpit windows. You got the little hatch right up top there. Apex Logistics titles, and that L1 door there. Plain old fuselage. Got the cargo door at the back for the main deck. Registration and American flag, number 863 Golf Tango. 747 8 and freighter. It says it right here. And then you have the good old Atlas Air titles. Is person holding up the globe. And then flipping it to this side, here we go. Here's what I mean. It has the standard Atlas Air titles and whatnot. You got the baggage doors down here and whatnot. And then you have the little Joe Sutter right there. Beautiful. Very nice. A little decal right there. And I think that's a nice touch. They did not forget that. So very, very nice. The engine's looking pretty good on this one as well. I don't see any issues there. These are semi-hollow. But the fan blades, there's not a whole lot of detail with them. That's somewhere I think that NG is probably going to make up with their 748 mold. Just the engines, the blades. These, you know, look at how few blades there are, and it kind of looks weird. I'm hoping, obviously, that won't be the case with NGs, and I'm sure it won't. I haven't taken a whole great look at their model yet, or their mold yet, but yeah. So here's a head-on view, looking very, very nice. We'll take a look at the underneath. I don't think there's anything special, just Atlas Air underbelly. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. Yeah, very, very nice model. Very happy to have it in the collection. And yeah, hope you all enjoyed, guys. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe for more mall unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you on the next one. Take care.